I just want to give a couple quick seconds for everyone to join in this training, to get their volume on. And while they do that, I just want to quickly say thank you for taking the time out of your day to actually invest in your knowledge and your education and to watch this very quick training video. All in all, this training is going to be about 15 minutes, so nothing too crazy or long, but we do have quite a bit of information to cover, okay? So my name is Jess, and we're basically going to be learning these 4 things today. Before we jump into that, I just want to be upfront and transparent and say that this is not a sales video, okay? There's not going to be a sales pitch at the end. I'm not going to be asking for your credit card information. This is all just free, 100% free, valuable information for you. So with that being said, I do have a special free offer available for anyone who stays to the end. Again, it's a free offer. There's no obligation for you. It's just if you are interested in pursuing this, and if you found this interesting, there's another free option that you can take advantage of at the very end. All right, so stick around for that. But let's go ahead and jump into it, okay? So what we're going to be learning today is how to earn passive income online. We're going to be learning a business model that is fast, easy, passive, and lucrative. I'm going to be teaching you how to wake up to money, deposit it in your bank account overnight, and ultimately, how to replace your 9-to-5 income with only a few hours of work per week. Now, look, I know that I just made some very bold claims here, okay? And I made these claims because this is what I achieved, and I know is possible for you as well. Everybody who's been through this exact training and seen this exact video has gone on to achieve passive income streams in this type of business, okay? What I'm about to show you requires no experience, it requires no college education or any fancy tech skills or software, okay? In fact, it doesn't even matter if you've never heard of affiliate marketing or digital marketing before today. I'm going to break everything down for you right now in this video. Like I said, this is not going to be a salesy video. There's no sales pitch at the end. I'm not going to be asking you to pay for anything, but if you do stay till the very end of this training, I do have another free opportunity for you to get in on and basically fast track your success to making money online, okay? I'm going to be showing you how to make this kind of income that you see on your screen, no matter where you are in the world, how many hours you want to work, and without any prior experience in this field. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can wake up to emails exactly like this one. Purchase confirmation emails of someone buying a product that you didn't even create. And all that you need to do or to make this kind of income is a smartphone or a laptop, okay? This video training is going to be for complete beginners. So, if you've never even heard of affiliate marketing before. And those of you who are looking for a passive income stream to either supplement or replace your current income. And of course, those who have maybe heard of affiliate marketing before, but maybe you didn't know where to start or how to actually earn your first commissions. And so you just kind of sat there and nothing ever happened with it, all right? Now, the purpose of this video is for me to actually show you, not just tell you how anyone can start making passive income from home with just a smartphone or laptop. And let me assure you guys, this is a very real opportunity in 2024, okay? I'm a very real person. You can even look up my Facebook page if you don't believe me. There's a screenshot of my name on Facebook if you want to look me up. Now, the results that I'm going to share with you today are real, 100% real, recent results that I have achieved in the last few months. And if you just creeped my Facebook page, you can tell I'm not a big fancy digital marketing guru. I don't drive a Lamborghini, okay? I don't live in a mansion. I'm a normal, everyday human just like you. All that I wanted before I started this journey is to escape the rat race, okay? I wanted to be my own boss, set my own hours, travel, and go where I wanted to go. And of course, I wanted to make a heap load of money online without sacrificing a ton of my time to do so. Because unfortunately, guys, this right here is the reality of the world right now that we live in. More and more Americans are finding themselves living paycheck to paycheck. And I can relate to that because I've been there. I was living paycheck to paycheck before I discovered this, okay? We know at this point that money problems affect every single area of our lives. Financial stress is strongly correlated with mental health issues. 72% of adults report feeling stressed about money at least some of the time. And they're also struggle with health problems, guys, physical health problems, back pain, migraines, and heart attacks. If you're struggling with debt or high levels of stress related to money, those issues can affect you. Of course, we already know that money issues affects our relationships. Financial strain is one of the leading causes of divorce here in America, okay? And then, of course, our sleep. The Sleep Foundation found 77% of Americans report losing sleep due to stress about money, all right? Now, that's very believable, right? A lot of us have been in that situation before or are currently in that situation. And on top of all of this, guys, the traditional job market is broken in America. It is changing, okay? Workers are more unhappy than ever, and most traditional jobs nowadays are actually in danger. because of artificial intelligence, guys, AI. Goldman Sachs predicts that over 300 million jobs in the next few years are going to be lost or degraded due to artificial intelligence. And this is because there are certain jobs that AI can very easily replace and certain jobs that AI is never going to replace. Through helping countless numbers of Americans go through this exact same process that you're going to learn about today, we've identified 3 requirements of jobs that are ultimately going to be AI-proof in the future. Now, these requirements are number 1, a job that involves person-to-person interaction. No matter how advanced AI gets, people are always going to want to talk to another human. There's always going to be that percentage of the population that needs to talk to another human being. And the second thing that you really want to be in is a growing recession-proof industry, meaning no matter what's happening in the world or in the economy, you can almost guarantee that this industry is going to be protected. And third, last of all, is you ideally need to be doing some type of work that impacts a company's bottom line profit, because these are the jobs that they can't just eliminate. These are protected jobs. If they, if they were to get rid of these people or fire these people that are bringing them profit, then their profit would disappear as well. And that is exactly what I want to share with you today. It's an opportunity in one of the biggest and booming industries that is out there nowadays. So you might be asking yourself, what is the solution? Okay, what is this business model? Now, we need to find a business that fulfills these 3 requirements with limited overhead costs, that generates consistent, scalable income, where you get paid for connecting a business with their customers. Okay, so what did I just say? I said, let's back up here. Consistent, scalable income where you get paid for connecting a business to their customers. What I just described is called affiliate marketing, okay? So there's a dictionary definition of affiliate marketing. I'm going to break it down a little bit more specifically for you, okay? So affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought in by the affiliate marketer's efforts. Essentially, it's a way for companies to expand their marketing reach by partnering with individuals or businesses who promote their products or services. Affiliates earn a commission for every sale, click, or lead generated through their marketing efforts, typically via a unique tracking link or code provided by the company. This model benefits both parties, the company that gains sales and the affiliates that earn the income. And really, it benefits the customer as well, because they are usually connected with the company or service that they need. So with affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by connecting consumers to a product, service, or company. The consumer wins because they get access to a product or service that they already need, right? And they usually get a discount. The company wins because they sell a product or service that they otherwise would not have sold. And you win because the company pays you a commission for referring a customer to them. Now, at this point, you might be wondering, okay, this sounds great. This sounds easy enough. But how much money can I actually make by doing this, okay? So let me show you what these next slides are going to be personal transaction reports within the last few months. These first ones here are my low ticket earnings. So these are nothing crazy. These are low ticket, right around $100 or less, right? Consistent. I make these every single day on clockwork, still passive, still consistent, but definitely what I would consider low ticket. And this is another platform of low ticket earnings. Okay. So nothing crazy, $3,000, right? It's not life changing. But my high ticket affiliate earnings look like this. And this is what I want to show you. Okay. So pay attention to the date here as well. Imagine making multiple high-ticket commissions this often as a complete beginner, okay? So basically every couple days, multiple times a week, I'm making this much of my high-ticket commissions. Now, the most important part, guys, is that this money comes in passively. While I sleep, hang out with friends, while I'm out on vacation, I don't need to monitor this. I don't need to work in my business. It's something that I set up to run for me passively. I wake up to emails like this every single day, okay? Imagine waking up to purchase confirmation emails exactly like these. What would your life look like if you truly started earning an online income like this, okay? Really ask yourself, how would your life change? What would you be able to do, okay? Would you finally be able to pay off your debt? Would you buy a nicer car? Would you get to travel wherever and whenever you wanted? All these things are great, right? Financial freedom, financial flexibility allows us to be able to have nicer things, right? To maybe be our own boss, to control our own hours, okay? But what I really want to get at here is a bigger issue, because having money worries, as we just discovered in the past couple slides, money worries, money stress affects every area of our lives. It affects us mentally, emotionally, spiritually. It affects our relationships the most, okay? So how would your life change if you were able to actually show up for your family as a more present and stress-free individual who is able to live life in the moment without being worried about bills and money? Like I said, I've been there in a place where I was living paycheck to paycheck, and I wasn't able to go do the things that I wanted to do. I wasn't able to show up, for the people in my life. So imagine being able to actually show up as a free individual, a stress-free present individual for your friends, for your family, for your kids, for your spouse. How would your life look different? Okay, that is what we are trying to solve. And this is 100% possible. Like I said, complete beginners are doing this. If you've been looking for that extra source of income, but you're not sure what to start or what to get into, this is it. This opportunity can work for you. This is an online job. I want to really drive this home for you because it's an online job that's all about you. This revolves entirely around your schedule and your goals, meaning no matter how much or how little you want to work, I can almost guarantee that this will fit into your lifestyle, okay? This allows you to get paid without a degree, without higher level education, without any previous experience in doing this, without tech skills, without a big investment of your time or money, and without the typical entrepreneurial risk that usually comes with traditional ways of making money online. Guys, most businesses that start require $30,000 to $40,000 investment. That's the average price of starting a business. This one, zero, okay? It doesn't cost you anything. Now, this is a market, like we talked about before, we want to be in a market that is growing, okay? This is predicted to be worth $27.78 billion. And the reason that this industry is growing and exploding at such a rapid pace is because more and more companies are realizing the power of affiliates towards their profit. In fact, you can sign up for free as an affiliate with just about every single company nowadays. And there's a very simple reason that this is so lucrative. It actually comes back to a Zig Ziglar quote that says you can get everything that you want in life if you will just help other people get what they want. So how exactly are we doing this, guys? To sum up, we're reaching the end of the video, okay? Thank you for staying with me this long. I know I'm throwing a lot at you, but being an affiliate marketer, I'm just going to break it down simple terms, means sharing something you're passionate about, like a company or a product, with the people who need it. The company gives you a special link, an affiliate link, and when a customer buys from your link, you earn a commission. Being able to add to these companies' profit margin is one of the most valuable skills that you could ever develop because you are providing the traffic. So let me give you an example of what this looks like in the real world, okay? So let's say, hypothetically, that one of your passions is photography, okay? And you have a social media account. It could be a Pinterest board. It could be a YouTube channel. It could be an Instagram. But you have a social media account where you talk about photography, and you have an audience who watches your videos that also care about photography. All you have to do, guys, is put your affiliate link with a photography industry-related company, right? It could be Sony or Canon. It could be software. You have to make that link available for your audience, okay? And not only is your audience already interested in photography, but they trust you and your opinion if you recommend something. So they will buy something that you recommend. Being able to be the bridge between a company's customers and their bottom line is ultimately going to always guarantee you a job and especially guarantee you cash flow. These companies happily share the profits with you because without your help, they know that they wouldn't have made that sale at all. Now, one of the biggest reasons that I'm putting this video in front of you today is because with this business model, you can work as much or as little as you want from wherever you want, and this opportunity allows for complete beginners just like you without any previous experience or education to get started so quickly, making money from the comfort of their own living room. Now, the only problem, guys, is that most beginners in this space have no clue where to begin, okay? And that was true with me when I first got started in my affiliate marketing journey. There are so many different ways to go. I got caught spinning my wheels because I didn't know where to start, what was actually going to pay me out, how to get in connection with these high-ticket affiliate companies, or what companies to actually even look at, what industries to go into, right? So in order to be successful, one thing you need to keep in mind here is you need to be able to invest a little bit of time into learning this business model, all right? Now, because of this and because of the skyrocketing demand for affiliates, I've decided to help you out and offer a 100% free coaching call, okay? So if you've been with me this whole video and you're someone who's saying, yeah, this sounds interesting, this sounds like something I could do, something I could achieve, I'm very interested in this, then I'll talk to you on a call. It's 100% free, okay? So this way I can evaluate the current hurdles that you are facing, and I can give you a solution that is going to work for your situation and start you off on the right foot so you can start earning your first commissions within a matter of days. Now, guys, this is only for interested, motivated individuals that are looking for an additional source of income and willing to invest a couple hours to learn this business, okay? If this isn't you, if you've watched up to this point and you're saying, I don't know, it's really not something for me, I'm really not interested, then that is okay, all right? But don't invest your time in a 30-minute phone call if you're really not interested and seeing this through and actually making passive income online, okay? So I want to respect your time, and I want to make sure my time is respected as well. I'm dedicating my time to these phone calls to actually form a personalized business plan for you guys. Make sure that this is something that you are really interested in doing, okay? So if that's you, if you're interested in this, but you're just not sure where to begin, or you know that you're going to need help getting started, all I want you to do is just schedule a 30-minute call with me, okay? We can develop a personalized business plan for you. And guys, you literally have nothing to lose here. Like I said, it's a free call. I'm not sitting here asking for your credit card information. I'm not, selling you anything. This is a free call where I get to help you, okay? So all you have to do is, it's right below this video. You can schedule your call, on a time that is convenient to you. And it'll be me on that phone call. It'll be a video call. We'll be talking to each other, kind of like we are now. So if that's you guys, schedule your call. I will see you over in that video. We'll form a strategy and I'll help you out with your business plan, okay? I will see you guys on that call.